Alright, in this video we're going to cover the installation of the cap driver. So we're going to take out the tubular arms, install the cap driver, and then may go over a couple features on the driver itself on maintenance, how to maintain your driver. So we'll come up here, we'll go ahead and just take our tubular arms off, 3mm Allen wrench. Just loosen them up, pull your arm off. Your arms to the side. Same thing, left side, loosen that up, pull it off. So we're done with the 3mm Allen wrench. Now we'll move on. And I'll show you how to install the cap driver, which is nice. We don't have to change throat plates because we have the universal throat plate that works for tubular and cap. We'll just come up to the control panel here. We're going to select our frame. Hat frame J, 36 by 70. Enter it. And it's going to calibrate that for that frame. So as you can see, everything moved up here. And once you selected cap frame J, you can see here it throws up a little baseball cap to let you know that that frame has been selected. So we can install our cap driver. So you want to grab it by the cylinder versus the bar here to have that pop off and come undone. Now you have to be careful of the inside as well because this rotates. That could get your finger pinched inside there. So the back side of it, I'm going to show you this. So there's 4 roller bearings here. So these little roller bearings, you want to keep them clean. So if they start building up dirt and stuff on them, you want to keep these clean. You can put a little oil in here as well. So it's a little bit of a kind of a maintenance thing. You don't have to do this very often. If you see them kind of not rolling nice, and clean them up, put a little oil in there, help them roll a little bit better. Okay. So those 4 roller bearings are going to roll into the piece that's underneath here. There's kind of a raised up rail on both sides. So we'll flip this around, line those bearings up with that rail system down below. There we go. Once we're on, line it up with the back on the pantograph here. Set screw's a little tight, so I got to back it out just a little bit to get it into the back here. There we go. So I'll get your side view here. So as you can see, line it up with the pantograph here. And then once you get this lined up and into the groove, the 150 area, right side, left side, go ahead and tighten them set screws up. And that's how you install the cab driver right there.